Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to share with you exactly how to extract zip files on your Mac. Unzipping files on a Mac is actually super simple. If you haven't installed any third-party unarchivers yet, you just need to double-click on a .zip file. It will automatically be extracted using the default tool built into macOS called Archive Utility. Now, if you have installed other unzipping software, you can simply right-click on the file, then choose Open With. All your installed archivers will show up right here, and you can just pick the one you prefer to use. Beyond just unzipping, here is a quick setting you might like. If you want your Mac to automatically delete the original zip file after extracting, to save space, you need to open the Archive Utility app. Since it's a system tool, press Command-Space to open Spotlight, type Archive Utility, and hit Enter. When you open it, you won't see a window pop up. It runs quietly in the background. But look at the top menu bar, you'll see Archive Utility there. Click on it, then select Settings. Here, look for the option that says After Expanding. Change that setting to Delete Archive. So now, whenever you extract a file, the original zip you downloaded will be deleted automatically, keeping your Downloads folder clean.